Hey. She's fire!
Parking lot, then arrive at your destination.
No, that will be the beginning of this video.
Yo!
Okay, I think CJ's here.
Yo. Yo. Naked.
Gotcha!
Well, go hard. Hey, this guy's rocking the hat.
Yeah.
Yo, I haven't seen one of those in a minute, man. What are you saying?
What?
We rocking this today?
Want to see what's even better than that? You guys want to see a real reaction? Apparently I have to be in more videos. Someone keeps telling me to go in more videos. You guys ready?
Oh, this, yo. Okay, hold on. This guy's been talking about doing this for a long time, though. I've seen old pictures of him. I'm like, yo, say word, that's Jordan. Look at this guy's hair. Looks like Vegeta. Luna, down, Luna, down.
You know, today I gotta go with the Japan theme, you know what I mean?
Jeez.
So,
and he's got the Wise Up 5-panel snapback on. The pink laces though.
yeah, the crimson laces, right?
I like the crimson laces on these. I'm telling you, there's just certain Jordans that come out and everyone's like, oh no, they're not fire, they're not fire. And then all of a sudden 6 months later, boom, skyrockets, goes up. Why? Because somebody, a celebrity is rocking them and all of a sudden it changes the entire perception on the shoe. And I feel like that's gonna be one of those shoes. Even the box is like super dope.
Yeah, exactly. What was that?
I'm gonna try to be on camera as much as possible today, man, because I'm
Yo, you copied my pants, bro.
because no, I did not. No, I did not. No, I did not.
Yes, you are.
Okay, hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. So, a few months back, this guy copped a pair of all black quality utility pants. And then Foot Locker sent me an email a couple months ago talking about they got some new pants in, and I saw the quality pants, but mine are gray, baby.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna tell you this right now. This guy copied me.
No, ain't nobody copy. Ain't nobody.
Yes, you did.
If I got black, it would be a copy.
No. So
this is an inspirational purchase.
Guess what? Quality follows me on Instagram.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, I didn't get your hat.
Really?
I'm serious. We're in the car already.
Okay, alright, I'll see you guys then.
Sorry, bro. I was just trying to zoom to you.
All good.
Okay, I'll see you soon.
I'll see you. Alright, peace. Bye.
Tell me, you know, what kicks you got in the store, the biohacks, how they doing? I think the kid sizes are doing really, really well right now.
You would really like to get a kick out of that, eh?
I'd love to get a kick out of that, but you know what? I can't get hacked either.
Shut up. So we're on the way to meet Prince right now. Prince,
Mr. 500 King himself. He's got the Azers as well too. You guys been stocking up, man. I've been seeing you guys' collection grow. I gotta out you right now. Yo, of all the people I know, you don't say nothing. It's cause, yo, you don't say nothing when you're copping a shoe. You'll just take a picture and put it up. Yep. And I'm like, whoa! But that's how we should always be though. We should always just do that.
Build your own hype.
Yeah, word, be your own hype.
So CJ, what are we gonna give away at 1.5K? We're at literally almost over 1,000 now.
We definitely gotta give away a pair of sneakers.
Yeah, let's give away a pair of your sneakers.
I'm down.
Okay, your Flints.
No.
I'm joking.
Yeah, no, so I was going through the Travis Scott website and like I got one tee, but I didn't like a lot of the other t-shirt designs. They were a little too bright for me. But there's this one hoodie design with like, it's like a McDonald's, like an actual store, but it looks like a UFO spaceship.
Yeah, I wanted that too.
That one is sick, bro. Those slides, I caught the slides.
Did you?
I caught the slides. Yeah, I'm gonna cop the McDonald's slides.
You just paid $150 for slides.
No, they were like 22 something. But after,
no, they weren't.
Yeah, they were.
No.
They were cheap. They weren't that bad.
They were like 48 bucks.
Yeah, 48 bucks, and then after tax it was like 100. Yeah, it was like 100 some bucks. Basically.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, trying to make yourself feel better.
When I saw it ring up, I was like, okay, 72 and change or whatever. And then you actually look on your bank statement and realize you're paying US, of course.
And then you paid like $200 for the
it was like 200 bucks. I was like, look at this guy.
Look at this guy. Thinks he's top notch.
This
bro.
guy's a walker.
Look at this guy's walk.
Look at this.
Are you kidding me right now?
Look at this guy.
Are you capping, bro?
Are you kidding me?
Oh shit,
we hope that.
Yo.
Oh, the whole team is back, bro.
You good?
Jeez. Yes, Prince.
You're good. Sick hat.
That's the one I designed.
Oh, this is sick.
This is
what
like
I
the
designed.
first CJ hat, bro.
This is the first one I
This is,
designed.
he got it or you just gifted it to him?
Oh, I gifted it to him, of course.
Long
Sick.
time ago.
I'll give you one too, bro.
This hat's fire, eh?
I got the print along the
Goku, is
inside.
that you?
Yeah, really? Oh no, Vegeta.
Yo, yeah, Vegeta.
Yo, Prince, can
Yeah.
you? I have something under there. Can you get it for me?
What is it? Oh, you brought my hat? Yeah, I knew you were gonna bring it. Yeah, I knew you were gonna bring it.
this guy. He never
you were gonna bring it.
listen, one thing I learned about Jordan, anything he says,
You'll learn nothing.
it's
Okay?
it's the opposite, okay?
What's that in your shirt? Oh, it's just your shirt. What's going on, everyone? Right now, I'm with the boys. Flight for Hype. Flight for Hype. CJ, say what's up to the cam.
Yo, you guys already know what it is, man.
You're such a long time, man. I'm finally back with the team. We're about to do a challenge video. First, we're gonna head into Toronto Premium Outlet. We're gonna check out the drip that they have there.
Oh, you have the
maybe
slides,
it's a pass. Maybe it's a slab. And check this out, guys. We got Gohan over here, Super Saiyan.
Super Saiyan 2.
This is the best Super Saiyan ever, eh?
It was actually.
Yes.
What do you guys have on today? He's got the flints.
Hey, 13.
Lit boys.
What'd you got on?
I got on the new Yeezy slides. They're fire, eh?
Oh, okay, I pray every day that my demons stay dead. They wanna tell me when I got it, but I never do that. They wanna see me going down, but I'm steady rising up. You can see what I own, clothing brand is rising up.
Got the drippy drip, young nigga rich like Richie Rich.
Whoa.
Fly like a blimpy blimp, bunch of bitch go skippy skip. Skip the dish, I don't miss, I don't hit. Bitches wanna come back to the crib. Now she zoning, now she wanna come dome me. Want a bad bitch like Chromas, come in and just give me the dome ass. Whoa. Bitch like Richie Rich. Guaranteed I'm gonna get that bitch. Guaranteed I'm never gonna switch.
Turn right into the parking lot.
Alright, so we're making it to our destination right now. Toronto Premium Outlet.
Opens at 12. It's open now.
Yeah. We want to go here because, well, it's an open concept mall and we don't have to worry about being stopped, I'm pretty sure, with cameras. So I think we'll be good.
Yeah, we did a vlog. We did a few vlogs here already.
Yeah, exactly, right? So it shouldn't be too bad.
Right.
The worst thing about Saturdays is the parking, bro.
Yeah.
It's Saturday, right?
Well, yeah. Well, last time we came early. We came here at like we came super early. Knew just now. He's like, wait, I've been here. He told them where they were going. They goes, wait. Oh no, I've been here before.
I don't know, actually, yeah, I think, no, we've been here before.
Yeah, they got Prince right there. We all vlogging. We're all just pointing cameras at our face.
So this is my life now. I'm actually a vlogger. People are gonna be like, oh, are you vlogging? I'm like, yes.
Yes.
It doesn't make, I'm telling you, it doesn't make sense that this is a strip mall and it's premium. What happened to the winter time? It's gonna get cold out here. You'll never catch me here in the winter time.
There's always a line at Nike.
All right, guys. So it's real crowded here. We're trying to hit up Broadway. Hopefully the line is not too crazy, but like, I mean, just take a look. So we're gonna see what's going on right now. When you see something you like, you cop it.
Bro, look at this.
This is top right there.
This is fire, bro.
This is vibes right there.
Prince, what do you think of this?
No.
No? You guys need like billionaires boy club. So fire. Yo, this is actually sick. You like, yo, do you like BBC, bro?
Yeah.
Those are fire.
BBC is fire.
You like
still.
BBC?
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna try this on because I'm probably gonna get this.
What
This
do you
is
guys
the
think?
full
Let us know-
outfit,
Let
man.
us know in the comment section below.
This is the full outfit.
Is that jacket a cop? I think it's a cop still.
Oh, dude, I'm biting this right now.
It's fire though.
Are you kidding me right now?
It's super fire. Here, let's go tell me for this.
This guy lied to me. He doesn't have to actually have to tie his shoelace.
Yeah, I do.
He has to tighten it, but he doesn't have to tie it. So
I was just saying. I was just confirming it.
yeah, I think I'm gonna get this.
Yeah. Where's the car? Mom!
There's a freaking shit stain right there, bro.
I actually just realized that.
I wanna not be seen on camera ever, yo.
Yeah, well, that's not gonna happen.
What do you mean that's not gonna happen? Just shoe reviews, that's it, yo. I'm not confident on camera like you guys, man. I'm scared.
You know what's funny? People actually.
Ew.
You know what I mean?
You think I'll ever get over my fears?
Jordan, you can do it. It's all about perseverance.
Okay, now I know I
and
can't do
pushing
it.
forward.
Want to go get the Travis Scott meal?
No,
Yeah.
I'll get the Travis Scott meal today.
Huh?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we don't have that here.
For real?
We don't have that.
We don't have that.
We don't have that.
Oh yeah, Prince, you forgot the barbecue sauce in the thing.
Oh, I didn't know.
So now the title is They Forgot the Barbecue Sauce.
That's not like being a bachelor. For now, I'm like, I must stay being a bachelor. You know what I mean? Don't want to be held down by no ting, dead ass.
See, even the dog is agreeing with you, bro.
That's like, yeah, be a dog.
You want to go back to that taco place, Prince?
No, hell no. That's a horrible.
Yeah, that's something we don't talk about.
I don't even want to know.
PMA, woo. Getting paid, better pay, woo.
PMA, woo. Getting paid, better pay.
Woo. Woo. Now she's zoning, woo. Woo. Now she's zoning, woo. Woo.
Now she's zoning.
Woo. Woo. Now she's zoning, woo.
PMA, woo. Getting paid, better pay. Woo.
It's downtown Toronto, just parked up, paid about rent money to pay for parking, but you know what? That's what it is in Toronto. About to take a walk down. Me and Prince are gonna do an outfit challenge. Definitely looking forward to it. He's rocking Yeezy slides. I got my 13s on, so you know I'm feeling confident about it. I need food right now though. Like I'm marved.
Okay, let's go to Crackhead McDonald's.
Nah, we're not going there. We're not going to no crackhead McDonald's.
Yeah, see, this is the second time.
Better tighten those up, boy. It's gonna be a real challenge out here. Tighten up the boots.
Oh, I know what this guy did. This guy did that so he could pass the camera to you.
No, I didn't.
Oh yeah, it's time for you to do up your shoelaces again, bro. Yo, this guy doesn't give a tough.
You're so cheesy, bro.
Ties.
Okay, so we're at warehouse right now.
Warehouse vibes.
I don't know if this is gonna work. What did you get?
Mac and cheese, baby, all day.
What did you get?
Mac and cheese.
Yo, I just had to wing it. All right, we're going to OD now.
What's up, guys?
Yo. Oh my God.
Whoa, you're here!
How you doing?
Oh my God. What's
I don't
up?
have any shifts with you.
What's up? Gabby, can you be in our vlog, please? This is Gabby, guys. She's a boss lady. You finally saw my blonde hair now.
When did you do that?
Yesterday morning. If it's Gabby approved, it's approved.
People's been winning?
Someone won today and someone won yesterday.
We've been playing Keymaster on my shift all day, bro. What the hell? Oh.
Team J or Team Yay?
I gotta tell you, this guy loves you, seriously.
Oh, your
I'm
friend
tagging
from
you.
Australia?
Yeah. He reposted you one time.
Yeah.
This guy loves this.
You hear that, Kenzie? This is your girlfriend right here, bro.
Can I get a shoe shot, sneaker shot? Yeah, can you just slide me?
See, even I have a day off, I'm still working. We have the best time in OD together. Are you kidding me?
Follow me on IG, SoFaldesera. It already is cold.
Is that damn bad?
It's really hard for me.
You do look like you have thick skin though, bro.
I have very thick skin. Very thick skin.
I'm doing right.
You're good.
Oh, I'm gonna do it?
Yeah, I'm not doing it. What the
Okay.
hell? Okay, hold on. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Right now, it's gonna be Yeezy versus Jordans. I'm wearing my slides, he's wearing the Flints.
I'm wearing the 15s. Okay, is this gonna be 2 videos? So should I do like a full intro? Okay,
Do a full intro, yeah.
Now the video's starting now.
Okay, cool. Ready?
5.
Hello! That's on a bed!